Welcome to another episode of Capital Kitchen. Today we're going to be making this amazing Italian sausage, broccoli and garlic pasta. This is a childhood favorite of mine. This is something my mom would make for me all the time growing up, and I'm going to show you step by step how to make this right now on Capital Kitchen. Here are some of the ingredients that we're going to be using today for this recipe. And first on the list, the one that we want to get cooking, capital Italian sausage right there. We're going to be using the mild today. This comes in mild and hot Italian sausage. It's really your choice which one you use. And we want to get this cooking first because the juices that we render out of here, the fat that we render from this sausage is a major component to what's going to flavor our entire dish. This is a childhood favorite dish. This is something my mom would make for me all the time. Growing up, we'd always have this broccoli and Italian sausage with a ton of garlic. And I hope I do it justice, because if I don't, my mom's gonna kill me. First thing we wanna do, obviously we gotta cut this package open. It's probably best to use scissors for this. The reason why you don't wanna do what I just did is I just screwed one of these up. So I'm gonna set this sausage aside, and that's gonna be used for another dish. We'll make maybe some meatballs or something with that a little bit later. We're gonna be using 2 sausages today. You can put the rest of the sausage in the fridge. You could use it for another recipe. If you wanna see some of the cool things we've been doing, we actually just recently launched a brand new website, and you can see all of our recipes on there, everything that we've done with every product. So you can go check out what we've done with Italian sausage. That's at capitalfinemeats.ca. You can do this one of 2 ways. You can either cook this halfway first and then slice it, which might make it a little bit easier, or if you've got a really sharp knife, you can cut it while it's raw, and we're gonna cook it as medallions. We want to just be cutting these into, about roughly like 1/4 inch or so pieces, just like this. The sharper your knife is, the easier this is gonna go for you. This is the way that my mom does it, and my mom knows best, so this is the way I'm gonna do it. So there we go, we've got our Italian sausage, it's all cut up, and now we're gonna go over to the stove here, and we're gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. When we think we've got the oil hot enough, we're gonna take one piece and just kinda drop it down and see if we hear a sizzle. So I'm gonna go ahead and start dropping more pieces in. With our sausage here, you can just give it a little shake every now and then. Once it's brown on one side, you just wanna flip it over, and we're looking to cook this all the way through and get it nice and crispy. It's gonna be so good. Now today, I'm making this for 2 to 4 people, depends on how hungry you are. But if you wanna make this for more people, all you gotta do is scale it up and use more sausage. We're using a half pack today, but you could easily use a whole pack for a big family. We wanna set this sausage aside now. We just wanna work with the oil. So carefully, we're just gonna take our sausage out and set it aside for now, okay? And we're just gonna let this cool off a little bit. You could even take it off the burner, but for now, what we're gonna do is move on to our pasta. So we've got some water just coming up to a boil here, and what I wanna do is I wanna add some salt to this before we add our pasta. And you're gonna have to do this kind of by feel and taste. At first, I'm putting in, that was maybe about 1.5 teaspoons of coarse sea salt. So for pasta, we're gonna be using rigatoni. Now, rigatoni is a great pasta because it's got these little ridges to it, so it's gonna grab onto that oily sauce we've made really, really well. We're just gonna eyeball it. We're gonna be using pretty much exactly 2/3 of the pasta. I got a little bit left over here. So this is perfect for like a single serving. I mean, not according to the box, but according to me, I just got a bag of the broccoli florets, they call it. Florets, I'm not sure. And I just cut them into slightly smaller pieces. We're gonna go ahead and start throwing these into our olive oil. I just wanna check the heat with one of them, and I think that's good. So we're gonna start adding our broccoli in. Beautiful. So now's a good time to add in our garlic and our shallots, okay? You wanna do this after you've added the broccoli so you really know where the heat's at for your pan. If the pan's too hot, you'll instantly burn the garlic and you'll have to start over. We are not looking to get too much color on this garlic. A light gold is as far as we wanna go. No color is even fine too, okay? We're gonna give this all a stir. And I wanna make sure we've got enough oil that everything can infuse, okay? This is looking a little bit dry for me, so I'm gonna add in some more olive oil. Maybe a lot more olive oil. And what I love about cooking broccoli like this is you can see it turn a vibrant green color like right away. And it just looks so appetizing, so, I don't know, summery. When we're getting close to, you know, about 80% of the way done with our broccoli and garlic here, we can go ahead and add a little bit of parsley. I've just got some finely chopped parsley here. I don't want to throw in too much because parsley is pretty strong, but we're going to throw in a couple pinches there. If you throw the parsley in too early, you might risk burning it or browning it, and then it's not going to taste very nice. It'll go kind of bitter. We're also going to add in a little bit of salt. All right, now this is a bit of a weird ingredient, okay? This is crushed red pepper. This is not paprika. This is not chili flakes. It's not spicy. And we want to use this to color our pasta. You can use paprika, but it won't be the same. This is not the easiest thing to find. I found this at our local Italian grocery store. Try to find something like this if you can, but if not, again, it's mostly for color. It's not gonna affect the taste too much. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. We're gonna add a good amount in here. Okay, about that much. And we wanna just lightly fry this in our oil. We're gonna get a slotted spoon. So we're gonna keep some of that water, but not all of it. And we're just gonna scoop it up. And we're just gonna toss that right into the dish, okay? No need to strain or anything like that. And it might look like something's missing here, and you're absolutely right. What we're missing is our beautifully cooked, crispy Italian sausage that we're just gonna drop on top like that and start mixing this up, okay? Oh, doesn't that look amazing? Gonna get that all into a nice dish here. And very, very easy to make. There's very few ingredients to this, but we're missing one extra important thing, and that's cheese. You can't do this without the cheese. I almost forgot it one time. Oh, and you guys got in there with the comments. I saw them. You think I didn't, but I did. There we go. I think my mom's gonna be happy. We'll see.
Dare to dream.
Dare to dream, yeah. All right, I'm getting a nice piece. I got all three. I got broccoli, Italian sausage, pasta. Cheers.
Cheers.
Whew.
I think those pepper flakes are doing some things.
The Italian sausage really shines in this one. It's bringing all the salt, all the meatiness, all the savoriness, and it just goes so good with everything else, with all that garlic. There's a lot of garlic in here, eh?
Oh, yeah. I like the way the sausage is cut here. I think that fits perfectly.
I gotta put this down. I'm gonna eat the whole thing right now, and we're not gonna finish the video.
We gotta finish the video.
We gotta finish the video, yeah. Think you're gonna be proud of this one? Or maybe you're gonna be proud of this one. Because this is something my mom always makes for me, I've never actually made it myself. I've only really watched her do it. So this is the first time on camera here where I've cooked it. So I'm so happy because, now I can make this anytime, which unfortunately is probably gonna have the opposite effect on my mom. I don't think she's gonna be too happy about that. But I wanna thank you guys for watching this video. If you've made it this far, we really, really appreciate it. Everything you guys do for us, all the likes, the shares, most importantly, the comments. I love reading the comments. It really keeps us wanting to make more. And you give us great ideas too. So please keep that up. Send us photos, send us comments, send us whatever you want to send us. Just send us, I don't know, anything. We love it. And with that, I want to thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart. I've been your host, Alexander, and we'll see you next time.